Hi everybody, let's take a look at the trusty Timex Ironman in 2023. Speaking of Timex Ironman, in this box we have something epic from Poland. But before we get started, you know I love the Timex Ironman. I just bought several Timex Ironmans just like this one from this amazing seller on eBay, and we will do some videos of those later. I was doing a Google search for an orange Timex Ironman, and I found one, that's right, one of the older style of Timex Ironman on this auction site in Poland. So I messaged the seller, really nice gentleman from Poland. We corresponded on Facebook and we struck up a deal, and he sent this to me via UPS. So we are going to open it up and take a look at it right here on camera. I'm excited about this. Here we go. You can tell he did a great job packing it. Looks like there's a little slip in here. We'll go ahead and look at it. Hi, Andrew. I hope that you'll like the watch and that your video goes viral. Greetings. That is so nice. I'll tell you, I've been corresponding with this gentleman on Facebook. He really is a nice guy. And now for the moment we've been waiting for. This thing was very well packed. Let us slide it out of the box. There it is, Timex. This is similar to my purple one, which I haven't shown a video of yet, but look at that. Ooh, ah. Let us slide the box. Oh, I think it slides open. Yeah. Oh, I figured out why it won't open. He did this to make sure it wouldn't open up during shipping. All right, we will now peel this tape off. All right, here is the grand reveal of this amazing watch. Ooh, ah. That is one orange watch. Let's take it out of the foam and take a look at it. Wow, this is a brighter orange. It's in perfect condition than in the picture. Look at that indigo. He even set it to the proper time on Eastern time. It is 4:57 a.m. here on July 31st. This is just absolutely amazing. I love the color of it. Here is a close-up view of the back of the watch, since my eyes don't work right. But now we're going to go ahead and take a look at this. The date code on this watch, there goes all my watches chiming at 5 a.m. The date code on this watch is September of 2015. So we're just going to go through the functions real quick. As you know, you have your stopwatch. You can lap. You can record laps. And then you stop, hold to reset, and there it resets. You have a timer with 3 different modes. It has countdown stop, countdown reset, and then countdown stopwatch, which the reset will repeat it. And then obviously you have your alarm. And to set the watch, you hold the set button down. The only thing different we're going to do with this watch, use the start stop to change lap reset sets, is we are going to set this on 24 hour because that's how I like it. But anyway, This right here is a really cool watch. I love the Indiglo. I absolutely love the color of this watch. Like I said, it's from 2015 and it comes in this really cool display case. I almost feel that this watch was intended more to be a collector's item than a daily use watch, because like I said, these are limited editions. I have another version just like this in purple, which I will show you in the near future, but in the meantime, I hope you enjoyed a look at this now vintage Timex Ironman watch, and you are an amazing person. I hope you enjoy watching this video of your watch, and we may be seeing this as well as my purple watch and this watch on my wrist during some elevator videos. So with that being said, I really hope you enjoyed this little unboxing and look at this amazing and rare orange Timex Ironman watch. That'll be it. The video's over, but it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.